guys, here's my husband's birthday gift for me. So I'm gonna unbox it now and see what we have inside. It says here live broadcast equipment. It delivers truly professional performance with outstanding stability and easy operation. I hope it will. And inside, converter, recording stand, pop filter, and of course, microphone. Legendary live broadcast microphone. So I'm very excited to unbox it now. Let's start from the sides. And here as well. So we need to open from here. Wow, it's not easy to open, guys. Yeah. I have here my filter. My husband is so happy seeing me so happy as well. When I'm happy, he is more than happy. And when I am sad, he is more than sad. Here's my microphone. And here's the... microphone. And this is the microphone holder. And of course the wires, cables and everything. This one I need to connect on the microphone, and here I don't know, let's check out later. And here as well. And here, I don't know what is this for. I will have to check it later on from the manual. And here also. And of course, what's this? Ah, the stand. This is the recording stand. Okay. What's the converter? What's that? This one. So it's now empty. Here's my empty box. So we have to check from here. Oh my God. It's all written in German words. Oh, Deutsch Worte. Deutsch Worte. Spezifikationen. I'm very happy because finally I have this recording equipment, but here's the big problem. The manual is written in German words, German sentences, and I don't understand a lot of the words here in the new words. Of course, I can understand some of the words, but not everything. So maybe I just look carefully on the pictures, because there's also pictures here, the instructions. So I just have to follow them. So whatever. So here The microphone stand. Here's my recording stand. So here's the recording stand, guys. How is it? Oh, it's like this. It's like this, and then what's next? Amazing. And then the next thing, oh my god, this will give me headache. This one, is it like this? No. I don't know. I don't know how it is. Oh. Again. Again. Jesteś lepiej. Czemu wiesz? La 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 la. To mikrofon? Albo to? To. Tak, to mikrofon. Ito. To też. To. Vielleicht. La 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 la. This song is dedicated to my one and only love, Marek Roman. Tu? To prawda? To okay? Ano to? Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. At syempre, hindi pa gumagana to, hindi pa nga nakasaksak. Hindi pa siya nakasaksak. Testing lang. Excited na kasi ako. Baka sakaling dito gumanda yung boses ko. Sintonado kasi ako eh. Kaya kailangan ko ng ano, filter.
Môžeš tu alebo tu. Tuto samo. Tu. No. Co? A to musí mieć włączone. To nie włączone.
Ale co to? To też.
Ale to później inne, gdzie indziej. To nie...
Pilaj tera kanya o, bo to o.
A to później to, ale... O. No to tu. Tak. Myślę, po co ci to potrzebne.
O! Ale co to?
To inny komputer.
Nie?
Tak.
To też o.
To tu.
To nogi.
To masz tu. O. Nie wiem gdzie to chcesz. Tu albo gdzie.
Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang.
Chciałbym drzwi.
Oh my God, tungod mo.
O.